Hey everyone, with this video I want to share how I airbrushed the heat bloom effect on my model's weapons. To get an idea of how it looks, here are a few example weapons featuring the effect. The materials I used are Vallejo Model Air Steel and 3 Citadel shades, Cassandora Yellow, Caribou Crimson, and Drakenhof Nightshade. Here I have a cannon from a Contemptor Dreadnought already based with some Vallejo Model Air Steel. Working with really thin layers, build up the yellow from the tip of the gun to about halfway down the barrel. Let this dry for a few minutes before working on the next color. Make sure your airbrush is dried out and add a few drops of the crimson. A little goes a long way for each of these steps. Follow the same process as before, but cover about 3/4 of the yellow, leaving a bit exposed near the middle of the barrel. The shades are really thin, and you don't need much air to get going. I usually run my compressor around 20 psi or lower. After letting the red layer dry, you'll repeat the same process but with the blue shade. This is mainly focused near the tip of the barrel. Make sure to keep a bit of the red and yellow layer showing further down the barrel. Here's the finished effect on the cannon. I went back with some metallics to clean up the overspray from the shades. Here's a look at one of my Death Guard themed Renegade Knights where I used the effect on the Avenger Gatling cannon. If you found this tutorial useful, throw it a like. If you'd like to see more in the future, be sure to sub.